Hello, it's the Everyday Man back with another video. This time we're going to do the maintenance on the engine. Let's start with the easiest thing I think there is. We're going to look at the air filter. They have a quarter turn and this assembly comes right off. We unscrew this clamp and then you just pull this up. This will come right out. Tighten down the clamp, put it back in, and you'll listen to it click. Next step, let's take a look at the spark plugs. Here it is right here. There we go. All right, I'll get that out all the way. All right, so that's the spark plug number, BPR 4ES. I turned it about at least 2 or 3 turns by finger tight. I'm going to do the other side. I don't think you want to watch that. It's the same exact thing. Now for the fuel filter, I suggest you get a good absorbent towel. All you have to do is squeeze it together and slide it down the line. Just get your pliers on it, squeeze it. All right, so here's the new one. I put that on there. Slide it on. The other side here. Okay. Get the clamp on. Just like that. Next step is the oil change. Let's just get this started and see what happens. So now we're going to take off the oil filter. Let's see how it locked on already. There we go. So it's unscrewing it. We're going to take it out. The good news is it all dripped onto the towel. I can see that from here. I like to put a little oil on the new gasket. Screw it on by hand. The oil is completely drained out. We want to put the oil plug back in. It takes 2.2 quarts. So now we're going to pull this out before I forget. Change the oil filter, put a new fuel filter in, put new spark plugs in, check the air cleaner, looks good, so we didn't change it. All the supplies cost me less than $50. This is the Everyday Man. As always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.